Algo valuing could arrive at an expected high of $0.361 toward the finish of 2023. Algorand estimating with a potential increment could go as high as $4.368 toward the finish of 2030. A wide range of sorts of computerized resources and conventions can be found in the steadily growing crypto space. One such convention that has arisen and come to rule its field is Algorand. Unadulterated confirmation of stake (POS) is the agreement technique at the core of this organization. The Algo coin was grown explicitly for use on the stage. The token can be utilized to settle charges caused while using the organization's administrations. Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, Oxtrade, and numerous others currently incorporate Algorand as an exchanging choice. For its many benefits, the Algo cost has prevailed upon the hearts and wallets of financial backers. Could you at any point let me know if you're keen on making an Algo venture? Assuming you're thinking about what the cost of Algorand may be in 2023, 2025, and then some, your hunt is finished. What is Algorand? Algo. For the most part, the development pace of Algorand coin has been moderate throughout the course of recent months, and the present negative pattern significantly affects it. A few individuals from the Algorand people group are discontent with the ongoing exhibition of the coin due to the sluggish improvement of the crypto project. Notwithstanding, the intriguing idea of the crypto market in general is the unpredictability of digital forms of money, with the worth of most coins fluctuating broadly founded on organic market. Moreover, the symbolic's new downfall is very disturbing, and its ongoing negative return for money invested is a significant concern. Assuming that you purchased Algorand tokens toward the beginning of the task and have clutched them as of recently, the worth of your speculation has dove by 74.59%. On Walk 13, 2020, the Algo token hit a record low cost of $0.1024, which represented almost 2 years. On 21 June 2019, after the token arrived at its untouched high of $3.28, these numbers were recorded. This is approximately quite a while back. Regardless, the token is building up some forward movement, and up value changes are supposed to go on throughout the following couple of years. Consequently, the motivation behind this exposition is to use specialized examination applied to verifiable information to conjecture the future worth of Algorand past the year 2022. Coming up next are a few elements of Algorand that have been displayed to have critical connections to the ongoing Algorand cost on the crypto market. Algorand value expectation. Assuming the gathering takes on greener NFT-related local area driving exercises and makes striking progress. That sounds fabulous, truly. There's true capacity for additional energy from cheery public talk and expanded degrees of movement. The cost of 1 unit of Algorand in 2023 is expected to fall in the scope of $0.188 to $0.361. Algorand value expectation 2023. The motivation behind the framework is to give state-of-the-art instruments to exchanging cash and going through with monetary exchanges. The organization fundamentally intervenes among decentralized and regular banking. Clients can create and disseminate their own tokens, NFTs, stablecoins, and protections with the assistance of their future FE item. The Algorand wallet gives a straightforward and open connection point for the public organization. The Algorand people group could invest its amounts of energy towards extending both the convention and its client base. The worth of Algo could ascend to $0.361 toward the finish of 2023. Then again, negative editorial and FUD could send the elective money tumbling to $0.188. At the point when market influences are in balance, the cost of Algorand might settle at $0.274. Algorand value expectation 2024. Amidst Bitcoin's splitting occasion, the stage's designers could utilize the chance to put resources into the venture's future and reinforce the connections between clients. The elective digital money's rising profile will be went with a sensible bull run. Expecting this positive pattern proceeds, the Algorand cost might reach $0.612 by the end of the year in 2024. On the other side, administrative crackdowns and more rivalry might make the base cost forecast tumble to $0.335. In any case, the going rate may be basically as low as $0.469 per unit. Algorand value expectation 2025. The cost of Algo is supposed to rise quickly throughout the following 3 years, and it could be recorded on an assortment of trade stages. Local area-wide mix with different drives and organizations might increment investment from clients and publicists. Potential highlights: remember, a more noteworthy accentuation for receptiveness and security for its foundation. In this way, it is normal that the cost of Algo will ultimately reach $0.896. Conversely, on the off chance that bears keep up with control, the token could tumble to $0.514 in esteem. Overall, the absence of animating drives and the stock's direct force recommend that the cost of Algo might even out off at $0.704. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. Above, we saw that the Algorand Value Forecast model anticipated that the cost of Algo would reach $16.57 in June of 2030. Be that as it may, the expense would be somewhere in the range of $17.73 to $15.41. At this degree of value, in July of 2030, how much cash could you have to claim Algorand? In July of 2030, the above Algorand value expectation model predicts that the cost of Algo will be $16.90. Algorand, Algo, value history. Knowing the digital money's market opinion history can reveal insight past the ongoing estimates. As indicated by CoinMarketCap, Algorand's initial cost was $2.89. On June 29, 2019, however, at that point started a descending twisting, reaching as far down as possible at $1.43 before month's decision. The decay proceeded, and by September, it was worth just 18 cents. The worth went all over consistently, shutting at 23 cents. In January of 2021, 1 unit of Algorand cost 67 cents, yet before the month's over of February, that cost had ascended to 70 cents. In spring, the speed of the cost development eased back to 12 cents. Because of the coronavirus pandemic. These swings are typical in the crypto business, so everything isn't lost. The worth of Algo rose consistently throughout the year, coming to 98 cents in August. While it kept on fluctuating during the year, Algo shut the year at a cost of $1.62 per share in December 2022. The given data shows that the ongoing cost of Algorand is $2.05. Starting from the start of 2022, it has been a beneficial speculation, expanding in esteem by over 600% in a solitary year. By and large, cost of Algos will increment after some time, but this cost might vary marginally. The cost of the computerized money is obviously exchanging over the critical moving midpoints on all digital currency markets. Inflationary Algorand will run out of its save of 10 billion Algo in the year 2030. You can utilize the Algorand marking prizes adding machine to confirm that the ongoing Algo marking API is somewhere in the range of 5% and 6%. How high can Algo go? Exactly the way in which high could the cost of Algo at any point go? The typical gauge is somewhere in the range of $3 and $5. Be that as it may, the cost might try and ascend to $5 or $6. Anyway, what do you propose? The expense of Algorand can be credited to various factors. Mechanical updates. It is normal that as Algorand's mechanical contribution develops, so too will the premium of financial backers, advertisers, and fans. Honestly, people are bound to incline toward what benefits them. The charm of something can be expanded by uncovering a proviso. At the point when Algorand appeared, Algorand 2.0 in 2020, for example, there was a huge expansion in the organization's cost conduct, tokens, layer 1 brilliant agreements, and new